In almost all sectors of industry, air pollution control is one of the most important requirements for the health and productivity of employees at the workplace. Gases, fumes or smoke are produced in the air during grinding, milling, melting and varnishing processes. These are often extremely dangerous and harmful substances for people. They have to be sucked away and filtered. Keller Lufttechnik, based at the foot of the Swabian Alp, has been a specialist for tailor-made suction and industrial filter systems for over 100 years. Our slogan is a benchmark for clean air, because we try to bring energy efficiency, resource efficiency and sustainability under one roof. The new HydronPlus combines wet and dry separation processes in one system for the first time. A patent for this compact and universally usable appliance has already been applied for. The biggest advantage for the environment is the recirculation of clean air. In other words, the cleaned air is reintroduced into the working area. And in that way, a lot of energy is saved. The system enables an environment-friendly circular flow of cleaning fluid and in that way saves considerable amounts of water. The market simply needed HydronPlus. There was a demand for a product which combined wet and dry separation processes. Negative pressure sucks the contaminated air into the system. Cleaning fluid is injected into the chamber by a pump. A homogeneous curtain of mist is created by the turbulence, and the polluted air has to pass through it. The contaminated particles are absorbed by the fine drops. After this process, the unclean fluid is removed from the air current again. The production of these units is already underway. HydronPlus will be presented at the next big trade fairs, and our sales department is getting ready to market the product.